Not here. That's the pastries. And the soup, salad, pizza. Ooh, chips. Cold drinks. We have found the ice cream. The ice cream of life. Which one do you want? The zombie would like the banana kind. Banana. Banana.
Zombie happy.
Zombie stay happy. I would like this orange cream. Cream pop. Mmm, yummy, isn't it? Ooh, that's cold. Okay, zombie, we get your ice cream. Now that I have the ice cream, we can revive the zombie. We just have to bring her to the place of death. She died. Oh, stairs. Careful. And here, poor zombie. Poor girl. Well, looks like I have to open her ice cream after mine. Nah, just kidding. Get hers first, so that we don't see a zombie. This is very hard. Don't want to see in there.
Very nice.
Alright, getting the ice cream out is a bit of a challenge, but we can do it. And it's coming. There it is. I think I see it. Oh, that looks so good. Maybe I'll have first bite. Okay, here, ice cream, the dead zombie. Ice cream, dead zombie. Ice cream, hungry dead zombie. Okay, here you go. Ah. Alright. Yeah. Look, it does have magical powers. Goodness.
Dude, where you been?
What?
Where you been?
What are you talking about? You were just dead.
What?
You were just zombified.
No, I was taking a nap.
So you made me go and get your ice cream while I got mine while you were sleeping because I thought you were a zombie.
Yeah, I'm weird. I sleep with my eyes open and my tongue out.
In a half-dead position.
In an all-dead position.
Okay, now that we have our ice cream, we go. Let us proclaim
Let's go
the mystery of
sit in the magic chairs of doom.
The magic chairs of doom? Why do we want to go to doom again? Well, I am going to open my ice cream so I can eat. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Come here. Ha. No filming. I'm the
film
camera
you
girl.
Take your first bite of your ice cream. No, come on. Go on, take your first bite.
Doesn't it look yummy? I bet you want it. You want a bite, don't you?
No.
Look at that.
Nom nom nom
Creamy.
nom nom.
Where'd my ice cream go?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
There's something on my face. Other than my eyes, my nose, and my mouth. My hair. All right, back to you with your ice cream. Yummy. Zoom in here. And this is L. Oh look, we have an L here. From Death Note, if you didn't know. Yummy. That is quite good. What? It's not melting today. Aren't you gonna say anything? Just gonna be quiet and let the audience see you eat ice cream? Okay, well, say goodbye for now, so we can enjoy ice cream. Alright, and there's her goodbye. So, until next time, if there is a next time, goodbye.